Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today this is a full demo about everything we do, everything you can do with us, and how you can use it for your business, or if you are an agency, how to use it with your clients. So this is the first screen you will see when you create an account. This is the dashboard, and in the dashboard you have the latest leads, the latest leads per week, per month, per year. You can also see your payments. If you share links to get paid, you will get the money you are receiving here. And down here you have the stats and the latest leads you are receiving. So this is like your dashboard where you can see everything that is happening, where you can see everything that's going on. We think is easy to use. We have done something that is 100% automated. You don't need to configure anything. Everything is ready here for you to know what's working in your company in terms of leads being generated, money being paid, and if you sell our service, your commissions. Okay, so this is the first overview of what you have here. In this corner, we like to share this column because it's the column where you can see, other companies, other businesses like the one you have doing amazing work in terms of, leads being generated. This company 900 leads, 1700 leads, 700 leads. Those are companies doing a fantastic job in terms of how many leads they are generating. So this is also, to make a bit of a community, to inspire, to help, etc. So the first element in the menu is the widget. The widget is the first step in the process. The widget is to get leads from anywhere. Okay, this is the tool that I think most users are using. This is something like this. You can make something very, very simple like this one with a simple form, and you connect the widget to your WhatsApp number. Okay, that's it. In the widget you can choose the logo. We give you some templates, but you can upload your logo. You can change the icon here. You can change the messages. All this content can be personalized, modified, change, everything. When you create a widget, we also give you a QR code, a link, and a landing page. Everything in one shot. You create the widget, and these resources are created for you. The QR code is super useful for printouts, presentations, flyers, anything. The link to WhatsApp is super helpful to share everywhere, social media, etc. And the landing page, we think is beautiful, useful, simple, focus on getting leads. You can customize the design, of course. You can create your own landing page here. So this is something you can customize, create, improve, expand, everything. And everything is done for you to get every lead possible in your WhatsApp widget. Okay, so this is like the first step. This is the first thing we need to do. So we add a name, we add the widget header message. This one goes here, and if you want the button for the widget. If you remove this text, that is not mandatory, is not required. You have just the the icon for your widget. So if you want to have that, you just need to remove the text. I want my lifetime deal account, so I'm going to change this back so we have it there. So widget is the first step. Okay, widgets, create and edit. You create everything here, and now we go to agents. Agents is where you connect your phone number to the account. So the agent, you have the phone number, can be WhatsApp business is the same. If you want to, you can create a widget that goes to a phone number or a WhatsApp group or a WhatsApp channel. This is a new option we add a few weeks ago. You can change the name, you can change the job title. So this is all, personalized. You can add a welcome message to the widget. You can add an email to get further notifications, and you can start some automations from there. And here you have, to make this agent active. Click to chat is an option that you should not check. This overrides everything in the widget and makes just a button for WhatsApp. So if you want to keep the form, if you want to keep everything, uncheck this one. This one should be unchecked, like is here. There are other options here. You can geolocate the widget, the agent. So there are more things here, and the same. When you create an agent, we give you a personalized code to embed this form in your website. We also give you a link for this agent. We give you a QR code for this agent, and you have a landing page for this agent. Because in a widget, you can have different agents. Okay, I hope this is clear. I hope this helps you. So, widget, agents, now we can go to landing page and design. Okay, let's go to landing page. Landing page is optional, you don't need to use it. Most users use the widget in their existing website, so you don't need to use the landing page. But if you run campaigns, if you want to create an event, if you want to create something else, the landing page is really useful. So landing page, you have some templates here. You can customize the URL, you can customize the text that goes there, the image. In the image, you can choose, one of the templates. You can use AI to generate the image. You can use AI to generate the text. So you have a few tools here, and we give you stats on that. These stats are based on visits to your landing page, visits to your widget. If we go to design, in the design section, you can fine tune your widget. Okay, so this is my widget. I can change the design that goes here. So for example, let's choose the bubble theme. That is very beautiful. I mean, I like it a lot. So the bubble makes this, more rounded, I think more appealing. You can use the WhatsApp theme. The WhatsApp theme will make this look more like a WhatsApp, kind of interface. So, this is for you to fine tune the design. You can have, down here, you have more options. If you want to really go into the, all the details of the design, and you can use a countdown, there are other things here. I mean, the countdown I think is very nice, because this will make your widget more, let's say, interesting. You have this here, so when someone contacts you, it's going to have a more call to action, let's say, push, no, so they will contact you, right away. So this is all options for you to fine tune your widget, to create the best experience for your widget. So I think this is all great. And translations is, I think, is important if you if you want to not only translate, but you want to localize the widget. In the widget there are some content validations, input text. So there are text that goes into your widget. If you see something that you don't like, come here, you will find it and you can change it. Okay, everything. So, this is like an overview, in terms of widget, agents, landing page, design. As you can see, there are other options in the menu, so we will make more videos to explain clearly what you can do inside each option. Okay, we want to make a tutorial for each section, so you can have everything, in great detail. You can really understand, what we do, how we can help you. But this is the first step. So widgets, why we are here. and that's it. I mean, we like to share this slide. This slide is just to, to share with you what we do, and we think it's important. It's everything. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Google My Business, everything can go into your WhatsApp. And you can get paid, you can get new customers, etc. So this is this is a slide we like to share, because nowadays you need to funnel everyone into your WhatsApp. So that's why we are here. That's where we can help you. So hope you like it, hope you stay with us, and hope you become, a happy user of Chat with. Okay? Well, thank you. Stay tuned for more. See you soon. Bye bye.